students, welcome back to our Shantir High School online class. This is Chaudhary, assistant teacher in English, Shantir High School, Fatikchari Ctg. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty. In our last class, we learned about voice in assertive sentence. So today we discuss voice, the rest part of the voice. So our topic is assertive sentence. Voice, change the voice. Change the V-O-I-C-E, voice. Assertive sentence. Assertive, S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E, sentence. Dear students, now we will see the sample example of each tenses to make things clearer. Let's see for simple present tense. Now example, active voice, active, he write a letter. Look at the sentence. To convert into it in passive voice, we will use 5 steps as we discussed previously. Firstly, introduce. That means identify. Identify subject, verb and object. Here, who is performed? The answer, he. That means subject. And what is performed? The answer, write. Verb. And what the action is performed? The answer, a letter. Object. Now, second step, swap. Active voice in turn into passive voice. Object, that means subject into object, object into turn into subject. A letter, subject, object from him. He is subjective from passive voice in becomes him. Then 3 step, we use helping verb. Active voice is present indefinite tense. So passive voice, letter, subject, singular, number. We use helping verb is. Am, is, are. So we use is. Then 4 steps, we convert main verb. Verb 3, write, wrote, writing, or written. Right. Then 5 steps. 5 steps. Add the preposition by before object. So our passive is a letter is written by him. Then another example, active, he is writing a letter. Then passive, our passive will be subject, object, verb, a letter. This sentence is present continuous, so we used to ing, a letter is being. A letter is being. Main verb V3, that means verb of past participle form. Written by him, present continuous. Next, another example, present perfect. He has written a letter. Our passive will be a letter has been written by him. Then another example, past indefinite. He wrote a letter. Our passive voice will a letter it is past indefinite sentence, so helping verb was aware. It is our subject is singular number, so helping verbs use was. A letter was written by him. Next example, active voice. He was writing a letter. Active voice is past continuous tense, so passive voice, our passive voice will be a letter was being written by him. Next, past perfect tense. He had written a letter. So our passive is a letter had been, helping verb is used to had been written by him. Then next example, we use future indefinite. Look at the board. He will write a letter. Our passive will be a letter will be, helping verb will be, shall will, passive turn into passive or convert into passive, shall be or will be. As first person singular number, so we use will be. Written, a letter will be written, W-R-I-T-T-E-N, by him. Then he will writing, T-I-N-G, a letter. So passive, our passive will be a letter will be being, as present continuous tense, so used to being. Will be a letter will be being written by him. Future perfect. He will have, written a letter. A letter. Our passive is a letter will have been written by him. Dear students, now we are going to learn double object. Double object. Look, active. He gave me a fan. He gave me a fan. we can turn into passive by following 5 steps. Now, firstly we identify subject, verb and object. Subject he, verb get, object me and FN. Two objects. At first, we will swap subject and subject with object. Then, that means passive voice objective form is subjective from I, and active voice in subject form, passive voice in object from him. Then we use helping verb. Active voice is past tense, so was or I was. According to number and person with tense, I was given. Right from verb 3. Second object remains same place by him. So our passive I was given a pen by him is alternative voice, or a pen was given to me by him. Second object is called retained object. It is same place as ten. Dear students, next we learn about factative object. We made him captain. C-F-E, captain. We made him captain. Look at the example. This sentence has also two objects. Him, captain. Object. Number 1, number 2. Here, the second object is a factative object or complementary. In first sentence, we easily swap. That means subject, object, verb. So, subject he, objective form, passive voice in subject form. He, active voice in first indefinite. So was or was, we use was. Verb, first participle form. He was made. subject, we, object from us. He was made captain. Captain. CFETAIN. Captain.
Hey there.
By us.
Subscribe to my channel. And
He
also
was
press
made
this bell icon.
Captain by us. Dear students, note down some factative object like elect. Note. ELECT. Elect. Select. Select. Nominate. Nominate. Make. Make. Appoint. Appoint, etc. is factative object. Dear students, you have a clear idea about voice in assertive sentence. Now take your homework. Practice at least 20 sentences in assertive sentence. No more today. I will finish my class. Sit at home and read attentively in your house. Thank you very much.